State the quark structures of a meson and a baryon. Remember, these are both hadrons made of quarks. There's a different number of quarks in these things, right? And remember, one of them is made of quark anti-quark pairs. And if you don't know that, why, you need to learn that. So go Google the quark structure of a meson and baryon. Okay. All right. Possible decay of a lambda particle is shown in the Feynman diagram, right? Explain which interaction is responsible for this decay. Well, this decay and all decays that we know about, right, are going to be the weak interaction, right? But specifically, here's strangeness, right? A strangeness of -1 and a strangeness of 0, right? So strangeness is not conserved in this decay. And so because strangeness is not conserved, it must be a weak interaction, okay? Strangeness is conserved in a strong interaction, but so if it's not conserved, it must be the weak interaction, right? Draw the arrowheads and the lines representing the anti-up and the down, right? Well, remember, antimatter goes through time. This is time this way, right? Even though in their like textbook they said, well, time is going up the page. This is time this way, right? So remember that antiparticles like that go backwards in time. Matter particles go forward in time. Okay, so one of those arrows is forward, one of them is backwards. By forward, I mean like this way, right? And by backwards, I mean this way, right? Backwards in time. All right. Let's see. Identify the exchange particle in this decay. Well, take a look. Take a look, kids. Notice that this is a negative charge there, right? And so the exchange particle has to be negatively charged. And so it's either the W plus, or W minus, or the Z naught, right? The exchange bosons. Okay, and since it's negatively charged, it'll be the negatively charged one of those, right? Outline one benefit of international cooperation in the construction or use. One benefit. Just come up with something that's obscure. The obvious is that what the superconducting supercollider is tremendously expensive. We were going to build one in Texas that was going to be even larger than that, but we decided to pay for other things instead, right? That's the obvious answer, but there's all kinds of other answers, right? How about a chance for these scientists to get to know each other, try out the cuisines of different countries. I don't know. Come up with your own answer like that. The mark scheme's fairly broad, right? Any one. Let's see. What do they say? It lowers the cost to individual nations. International cooperation, historical example, always allows science to proceed, except for during World War II when Hitler was classifying nuclear research. Large quantities of data produced are more than one institution can handle. Is that right? I don't think so. Let's see. Cooperation allows effective analysis, collaboration of able scientists. Just come up with some reason. All right.